In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Gmail to N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so why connect Gmail to N8N? N8N is a powerful workflow automation tool that lets you connect apps and services visually, no coding required. And also by connecting Gmail to N8N, you can automatically send emails from forms or CRMs, read and process incoming messages, and trigger workflows based on new emails or specific labels. So what you'll need is a N8N account and also your Google account with Gmail access. Now you can use a dedicated Gmail account or create a service account for automations to keep things more organized. So first thing what we need to do is access your N8N workspace. So I'm going to do this on my browser here. And I'll make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, you want to go ahead and click on that create workflow button. And then from here, we want to go ahead and click on add first step. But before we do that, we can name our workflow here. So I'm just going to call this Gmail, for example, and then go ahead and click on add first step. From here, we want to go ahead and search node. So search for Gmail. Here it is here. Now we've got triggers on message received, or we can do actions if we like. I'm just going to go ahead and click on message received. From here, a little pop-up will appear. So under parameters, we want to go ahead and credential to connect with, and then select create new credential. From here, I want to go ahead and sign in with Google. Now a little pop-up should appear that's going to choose my Google account for me. So here it is here, tutorial is. Now I'm just going to go ahead and select all, so they've got access to recompose, send and permanently delete all messages, all that stuff. So click continue. Then from here it should say connection successful, and then close that window, close that window. And now when we come back here, we've got Gmail trigger. We can change the modes if we like to every minute, hour, day. We can choose events. So I've done this as message receive, etc. Now if I click back out of here, you can see I've successfully added Gmail to N8N.